All right, guys, welcome to Red Bearded Marketing. I'm going to show you a couple little tips that I play around with today. I'm going to show you how to remove the background on a picture for Canva, and you can play around with it. So there's a Facebook group that I'm in where people post pictures and they say, please remove my background, and I like to mess with people. So let's start with that. Uh, so just pick whatever sized project you're looking for. So I'm just going to go with the square Instagram post. So um, so let's go with how I made this picture. All right, so this girl, she said she wanted a new background picture for this selfie. She didn't want her house in the background. Don't know why. I think it's charming. But you go to edit photo here, then you go to BG remover, background remover. So boom. So now it's basically removed the background. Now again, it's not perfect. If you look right here on the bottom, it is missing some parts of her legs. I'm sure it's not the worst thing that she's missing. But here's what we do. So I went into Google. You can use whatever photo you want, but I actually took a picture of a house on fire. I thought it was a little bit better than the background she had before. So I take this photo of the house on fire. Let's stretch it out so it fully fits in the frame. All right. So now that we got that, now as you notice, her picture is behind that one. So I just say position back. So now I take her picture, lower it, readjust. So now, boom, and maybe bring it up a little bit. So now you got a little funny picture. So that's one way to do the background remover. And again, you could even, let's say you have another picture you want to do. So this was another person that wanted their background changed. I don't remember what I did with this one. Uh, so edit photo, you can literally load a photo into it right here, and boom. So there you go. That is how you remove the background in Canva. So if you have any questions, make sure you comment down below. I'll do my best to answer.
This is the Beards channel. Follow me while I'm on my adventures, meeting new friends and living my best life. Exploring this world and everything it has to offer, while getting some good food. So click that subscribe button. I dare you.